I, Anisha of class 10, would like to congratulate and appreciate the hard work of my beloved teachers. Thank you for being our mentors all the time. Although the word thank you doesn't fit what you do for us. So on the occasion of birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, I would like to pay my gratitude by saying, when someone asks why anyone would ever become a teacher, remind them why it's worth it. Every job has its ups and downs, but no job can change someone's lives. The job of the teacher is the most difficult one. Thank you.
जीने की कला सिखाते हैं शिक्षक, ज्ञान की कीमत बताते हैं शिक्षक। पुस्तकों के होने से कुछ नहीं होता अगर मेहनत से नहीं पढ़ाते हैं शिक्षक। नमस्कार, मेरा नाम विशाखा है और मैं रक्षापुर स्कूल की कक्षा 9वीं की छात्रा हूँ। मेरी ओर से आप सभी को शिक्षक दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। शिक्षक अक्षर हमें सिखाते हैं, शब्द का अर्थ हमें बताते हैं, कभी प्यार से तो कभी डांट से जीवन हमें सिखाते हैं। जिस आम भाषा में गुरु का नाम दिया जाता है, आज के समय में शिक्षा का काफी महत्व है, ये तो हम सभी जानते हैं। किसी ने ठीक ही कहा है, गुरुर् ब्रह्मा गुरुर् विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरुर् साक्षात परम ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। अर्थात माता पिता की मूर्त है मेरे गुरु, इस कलयुग में ईश्वर की सूरत है मेरे गुरु।
Happy Teachers Day.
Teacher can inspire, hope, ignite the imagination and instill a love of learning. Hope you all are fine and healthy at your place. Today on September 5 we celebrate Teachers Day, the birthday of second President of India, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. He was a great scholar and favorite teacher of his students. A teacher is the sum total of wisdom, compassion, kindness, appreciation and compassion. In this pandemic, teachers deserve our appreciation now more than ever before. Teachers aren't just teachers, they are architects building relationships with students, master chefs, cooking up creative lesson plans, and engineers planning to create a better future for students. To Rosie ma'am, my favorite teacher, I feel so fortunate to have been placed in your class. You are amazed and inspired me daily, and for that I am thankful to you. And you are really a wonderful teacher. Thank you and happy Teachers Day to all.
Happy Teachers Day, ma'am. Happy Teachers Day, sir. Thank you. Thank you for teaching me how to sail my boat in this ocean of life. Thank you for being my mentor, my idol, and for all the motivation and molding me into a good human. Thank you so much. Happy Teachers Day.
They support us. They inspire us. They guide us. They teach us. Today is the day to thank them and say Happy Teachers Day.
Dear teacher, thank you for not asking us to grow up. Thank you for becoming a child with us again so we could grow together. Your actions are invaluable even today. Thank you for teaching us how to read and write, for guiding us to distinguish between what is wrong and what is right, for allowing me to dream and soar as a kite. Thank you for being my friend, mentor, and light. We will always be thankful to you for all the hard work and efforts you have put in for educating us. Without you, we would have been lost. Thank you, teachers, for guiding us, inspiring us, and making us what we are today. Happy Teachers Day!